Welcome back our channel. Hi kids, let's learn two-letter word. A M M. A N N. A S S. A T at. B E B. B Y by. D O do. G O go. H E he. H I hi. I F if. I N in. I S is. I T it. M E me. M Y my. N O no. O F off. O R or. O N on. O X ox. O K okay. S O so. T O to. U S us. U P up. W E V. Once again. AM, am, an, as, at, beb, by, do, go, he, hi, if, iron, in, is, it, me, my, no, off, or, on, okay, ox, so, to, up, us, wev. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.